Jessica is representing Miss Queen of Columbia contest, and she comes to us from, once again, Clark, Missouri. The designer of Miss Rose's gown this evening is Miss Brianna Stevens. Her accessory, Brianna Stevens and Ginger Nicole. Hairstylist, Miss Jessica Rose herself, and Miss Mahogany Demornay. Makeup artist, Brianna Stevens. Jessica is sponsored this evening by Rose Incorporated, Mr. Patrick Price, The Dream of Fun, Ginger Nicole, Brianna Stevens, and her promoter, Mahogany Demornay. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, you are seeing one of the three categories that the girls will be judged in. And a few you will not be a part of tomorrow afternoon, but you will see fashion that you are viewing right now and later on tonight, the highest point category, talent. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, judges, contestant number 8 in our fashion category, this is Miss Jessica Rose.